Hi there. Recently, we developed a project on our college LAN, which is MIT Knowledge Portal. This knowledge portal is very useful for our student as well as teachers. This interface will let you search out any educational content which is available on our knowledge portal. The content may be ebook, maybe syllabus, maybe question paper, notes, video, anything. Okay, so here are some modules which I am going to explain here. The firstly, we have a home page here which contain a navigation menu here navigation menu, and then the search bar. The main function of this home page is to find out the content which is related to your keyword. For example, I want to search out something which is related to the keyword data structure. Okay, whenever I will type data structure, I will get the content which is related to the data structure. Here I get the three results which is related to the data structure, and these are the question paper of previous year. Okay, in a similar manner, for example, I want to search out a ebook, only ebook, not other content, videos, notes, not other content, only search out the ebook. Then I will click on ebook from the navigation menu to get the ebook page. Here I get the ebook page which is showing me again a navigation menu and a search bar which will be used to search out the ebooks. And here are some latest added ebooks which I can get by scrolling down the page. For example, I want to get this book, Well Hydraulics. Whenever I will click on download, it will get open in my browser new tab, and I can read the book here. Okay, so I can close the tab from here. So now I want to search out a ebook which is related to the keyword civil. Okay, so here when I type the keyword civil, I get some result which is related to the civil. I think there are total 10 result which are related to the keyword civil. For example, I want to read the dot, that is the design manual. Okay, uh, when when I will click on download link, it will get downloaded in my browser tab, new tab. I can read the whole book by scrolling down. Okay, or I can close the tab. In a similar manner, I can search out the question papers. Here are the question paper. For example, I want to search out question paper of web designing. Okay, when I wrote the keyword web d. Okay, so I get the two search result which is related to my keyword web design. Okay, these are the two question paper of web designing that of 2010 and 2013. For example, I want to get the question paper of 2013, then I will click on the download button, and it will get downloaded in my browser tab, and I can read the question paper by scrolling down the page. Okay, uh, now I can close the tab. uh, Now I want to get the syllabus of my stream. Here, whenever I will click on the syllabus link from the navigation menu, I will get the four different menus to get the syllabus. For example, I want to get the syllabus of BTech computer science. Then I will click on BTech, then computer science. Then I will get the syllabus, and I can scroll down the page to read the syllabus, or I can close the tab to get back my portal. Okay, in a similar manner, I can find out the notes. For example, here I can search the note related to some content like ISDN. So these are the BISDN protocol, ISDN data link layer, ISDN interface, ISDN network layer. So for example, I want to download the ISDN physical layer, then I will click on the download button here, and I will get the uh, I will get a download dialog here. Whenever I will click on the start download, it will download it to my local machine, and I can read the content from there. Okay, so again, for example, I want to search out some videos. Actually, there is no videos yet. We are working on that. We will upload it later. So in a similar manner, you can find out the videos lecture related to your keyword. um, okay, the main portion of this portal is the upload. Okay, upload page. Whenever you will click on the upload here, you will get the upload page. Okay, there is the two main users which can upload the content. The first one is guest, and the another one is admin. Okay, suppose I am login the page as a guest. I'll click on guest. Okay, suppose I want to upload some videos to this portal, then I will click on the video, and then I will get the button to upload the videos. I will click on the upload video. Then the one and only thing which I have to do now is just navigate the video in my computer. Here is the folder, the drive. Okay, okay, for example, I want to upload this video here. Then I will just click on that, then open the video, and it will start uploading. Okay, now it is successfully uploaded to our file manager, and now it will not be shown here as you upload it. You have to log in as an admin to upload the video in the portal. Okay, but the video is get by the admin by logging into his account. Here you will click on the videos, then upload video, then you can select the all videos here, then open. Then these videos are uploaded to the count 1 2 3. Okay, it is taking some time because the size of the video is high as compared to previous videos. Okay, it is uploaded, then again it is uploaded, again is it uploaded. Okay, now when someone click on the videos, he will get the videos here which I recently uploaded. Now the one and only thing you have to do is just click on the download button, and the video will get downloaded. You will get the download dialog box here. To download the video, you have to just click on the start download to download the video. Okay, so this is all about the MIT Knowledge Portal, which is very useful for every student as well as teacher. You can share any educational content here easily on our college LAN. You can access it by the IP address which is provided in the description of this video. Okay, thank you.